Congratulations on the purchase of our Zenith Z7. In this video, let me give you a quick guide on how to get started. Install the battery and battery cover included in your kit. Make sure your tablet is fully charged through docking station. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And go through Android basic setting. Connect to Wi-Fi network. Sign in with your Google ID and a password. You can skip this and come back later. Once you're done with basic setting of your tablet, you need to register your tool at our website. Go to e-zdsusa.com and sign up by clicking Join button. Enter a valid email address and other necessary information, then hit Join Us button. Click OK and verification email will be sent to your email. Check your email and go through verification process. If you do not receive a verification email, check your spam mailbox or let us know immediately. Now log into your account at the website. Click My Page, click Product Registration Z7, enter serial number of your tablet and ZVCI2. You can find the information in Settings menu or Registration tab under the Update menu on Zenith app. Once you're done, hit Submit button. Now your tool is registered successfully under your account. Please give at least 15 minutes for your tools to get recognized properly by our server. Let's go to Zenith app, go to Update, choose the software you wish to update and press Update button. Log into your Zenith account. Read End User License Agreement, click the checkbox, then Confirm. Now your Z7 software is up to date. We have one last step before diagnosing the vehicle. Connect the DLC cable to ZVCI2. Connect to ZVCI2 to the vehicle's OBD port. Now ZVCI is getting power supply from vehicle's OBD port and it is ready for Bluetooth connection. Go to Z7 tablet and go to Settings, VCI Setting. You will find the ZVCI2 which is ready to pair. Hit the blue signal icon next to the ZVCI2. Once it's connected, it will be displayed on the Connected Order section, and a ZVCI BT icon will be displayed at the top right corner. Now you are fully ready to diagnose the vehicle with the latest Zenith diagnostic software.